Whether you commute to work or just like riding for fun, the Mearth S Pro Electric scooter will be the perfect match for you. Light, fun and intelligent. Here's why the Mearth S Pro is one of the best electric scooters on the market right now. Coming in at 13.5 kilograms, the scooter is light and maneuverable, making going over rough surfaces honestly a breeze. There are 3 modes that are changeable by buttons on the handlebars. Eco will be the slowest. If you're not needing to go too fast or need to save some battery, this mode is great. Standard is the middle mode, which gives you an above average running speed. Sport will be the fastest, hitting a respectable 25 kilometers an hour before cutting due to regulations in Australia. Charge time is around 3 to 4 hours with an average distance of 25 to 45 kilometers, depending on your mode, weight and terrain. This is the perfect amount of time for the average commute to work. Setting up the scooter is a complete breeze. It folds up, making it super portable and easy to take on public transport or in your car. The frame comes with a 2-year warranty and a 1-year warranty on the battery and motor. So guys, if you're keen on an easy, seamless ride to work or just riding for fun, I would highly recommend for you to check out this awesome scooter on pushys.com.au. You're not going to regret it.